When Harley Davidson released the Low Rider S in 2016, it represented a subculture. The first FXLRS exemplified what customers had been doing with the dual-shocked Big Twin since the first Super Glide in 1971. That final Dyna S model had evolved through 45 years of research and experimentation by both the factory and aftermarket, and it showed. So when Harley Davidson stopped manufacturing the Dyna line for model year 2018, it felt a bit strange to be calling Softail models by iconic Dyna names, like Street Bob and Low Rider, and even more so when the company launched the 2020 Low Rider S. But the new S feels different. When Harley Davidson translated the Low Rider S name from Dyna Design to Softail in 2020, it felt like HD was trying to prove that the Softail was a viable platform for high-performance customization, an area where the Dyna was a cult superstar. Now, more than 4 years since the cessation of the Dyna and birth of the new line, we're seeing more high-performance components for these new Softails in the aftermarket. The growth of V-twin racing has stoked this trend as well, both in terms of widespread popularity and product development. More customers are pursuing what HD calls West Coast style on their own, which means the Softail platform is genuinely being used this way. And it's a natural fit, because when you look at the numbers, or just ride it, the Softail platform performs better than the Dyna in nearly every way. The FXLRS has a bigger engine that puts out more power than any previous low rider. It has greater available lean angle on a more stable chassis. It's inarguably better on the road than the Dyna, both in a straight line and through turns. It is strange, though, that while comparing these high-performance HD models, performance is only the second most important thing. On a morning ride, I chased friends riding Ducati and BMW sport bikes up SoCal's Angeles Crest Highway. It became clear that as quick as the FXLRS may be, it's really only fast in its class. It's still low and heavy. It still scrapes too early, can't stop all that quickly, and has limiting ergonomics. It's powerful, absolutely, but fast, not so much. HD could make a more performance-oriented bike if it wanted to, but major changes toward high performance tend to be major changes away from traditional form. But designers say the balance of performance and traditional form